today on Monday, and on Ministry Monday we discuss matter when we say concern self-esteem for where you dey work, meaning say to get confidence, to get ginger, to get swagger, to make for fit minister your Lasabia reduce in the escape bang gives clamabush. Anyway, we get Bumi on the HR expert for inside studio. Now she dey give us every information when we say concern self-esteem. Over to you again.
Okay. You know, say we talk, say people will get self-esteem, they focus better. Their focus is their focal length is very
their focus.
They can focus better. Then they need less time off. See, people will get low self-esteem because somebody do something yesterday. We know to like he could go calling sick today. Say, no to feel okay. In the yes now signs of low self-esteem. I tell you.
If person, you are person quarter the day before for office, the next day you know will come work.
If you no come work, we go talk say because that person vexed am yesterday.
You know, I don't want face am today.
I don't want face am today. If I no get in time, I no get.
Mountain, it's salary the two no go come work now.
Salary no go get in.
It's salary no go.
Or if he come self, if he come self, if he dey, you know, because that person don't get low self-esteem, he will come dey some set of people. I know they want to talk to them in this office. I don't know my words. All these small boys. Which kind of nonsense is that? You know, things where it's supposed to be team effort. Where we say go they relate with him co-workers. No. You don't see them as don't pack them for one side. So work no the quick flow.
Okay.
Because the person no go, you know, get that team spirit. And if you notice, for every company, companies will get high, people will get high self-esteem. The company they quick, you know, they quick succeed.
Because they get enough people to say get self-esteem.
Think alike.
Blessing, good evening.
Hello.
Blessing.
The name is Blessed, not Blessing.
Gene.
Blessed.
Blessed.
Yes, not Blessing.
Blessed.
Anyone. Blessed.
Now blessed, I mean a black.
Blessed.
Blair, how far Blair? Abi, what I know day. Blair, how is you?
It's me, it's fine. And how is you?
We are great. Are you with me?
I with you.
What do you want to talk this evening?
I just want to greet my sister and to appreciate her.
She did hear you.
I can see my name on your screen. You did not add the ED.
Oh, okay. Blessed. It's supposed to be blessed.
Yes, blessed. Okay. That's what I said, yes.
Sorry, not there for walk.
No. It's just an error. All right. I bet my sister, how you doing?
I'm fine, though.
You know how fine you are? Do you know how beautiful you are?
Make I know for come on for this child.
Let me say you go for. See. I tried to get you for that your program where you talk of sexual harassment.
You like that topic?
You yourself. In fact, from your head to toe, na sexual harassment. So if you come to the program, make you rub charcoal for some places so that you don't go there too fine like this.
Now we say they harass some people on top of
Katim travels. Don't worry, next week she will come back.
Okay. I beg, no. See, my sister.
Yes.
Don't worry, I go look for you now. My brother go marry you. I no agree. Honestly, I just want to appreciate you. You educate people, you make them laugh, you tell them reality.
Yeah.
Please just keep it on.
Thank you.
Encourage many people around.
Thank you.
In fact, today's topic, what you are discussing today, I have many of my staff like that. You know, some again, my friends. You know, in fact, I call them before calling you. I call them to just turn their TV on to Wazobia so that they will hear from you.
Thank you very much.
Blessed. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We go put the ED now.
We go put ED. Blessed. Blah, thank you. We'll continue your sexual harassment. For me, on the AKA sexual harassment. From Gombe, good evening. Hey, you don't call us back. Continue.
Now the distance.
Continue.
Now the distance. So then talk to people who get low self-esteem, that they walk slower and they make mistake. And then they hesitate to put in their best efforts.
So then they put up, do your best now. I don't know the one I go do now. When they go say,
na me miss am.
They go say, na me miss am now. Okay.
The last time when they carry something, go meet MD. They say, na me do am. I beg, I no get time for those kind of things, Jerry. Then na them, they make mistake pass, because they don't want to make anybody correct them. One happened to me one time. They bring one letter to me. And the letter na external correspondence. When I see him, you know, say person where the letter they go meet. Not be say go see, say, na me write am, na Tola write am, na He go just generalize, say, this letter come from HR. Then I come sit down. Come they correct them. Okay, now like this, now like this. I can't send them back. Oh. You know, say they don't bring that letter back again.
You don't make it correct them.
Send them. They don't bring the letter to me again. Now be say, well, this woman, how Allah they always too much.
I don't know so she thinks exactly.
Exactly.
Normally you go school.
Which kind of English they speak? Say where all of us never speak before. Not to put full stop, put comma, put. I beg.
Why you not put her?
I go put her myself.
From Oshu State. Good evening, Biko. Osas.
Good evening.
Osas, good evening. How you doing now?
I did fine. You how about it?
Body dey cycle to.
Are you with me?
Nah, I'm with you.
Busy bit, are you with me?
Yes, boss. I'm with you. We did.
Oh yeah, nah.
Oh yes, say domo.
Okay, very well.
Osas,
yeah, my ambassador. With me, I greet my ambassador. Ambassador, how you doing, Mama? What's up?
I did fine. No.
Which ambassador she be? Listen,
no. I think back to our level. I don't like you. Because I wish una fit give people like us. May we promote una more. Make una send them out. May we do something. Make una extend this program. That woman wait sit down there. What did she they talk? Una they talking with laugh. But not truth.
Not Oscar.
I think I'm saying I laugh. She they build people where they never know who they be. Truly, I don't want to go deep about my life, Cha. But that woman wait sit down there. What did she they talk now? Pure, now real.
Thank
not
you.
Be everybody they good. Not be say they not they good. They not still push them. I wish they still push them like that. My ambassador. Therefore, achieve the good with the defense. Madam, kudos to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
No,
you.
I appreciate you. I just go beg una. Make una increase this level higher.
Okay.
Make una put out online say at least if na 100 people they call, say at least 1,000 naira.
Yeah.
So build this level. Make una feel enlighten people we don't know wetin dey.
Who go pay the money?
Make them grow.
Okay,
don't put as a pay to this account.
Yeah.
To extend this program, I know wetin I dey yarn. Nedu hold your mouth. No talk. I know wetin I dey yarn. I dey talk from my deep heart. Now they play, they use laugh, they talk everything like comedy. But the truth dey inside comedy. You will learn more. You dey act, see. And you dey make me dey laugh the way they remove your hand from mouth.
Now you say make I put for mouth. You say make I come in my mouth.
You go dey laugh. But what you are the one tell public right now? At least even though we be 10 callers in a day, at least 1,000. You go. The program for even enlighten those who never know what to
my brother, you want your shit. Bye. We gonna pay you. Come on, collect.
No, be him.
Pay your money now. You know, so now understand what they talk. Tell me to pay him for calling.
No. It's people where they call in to get information. They're supposed to pay.
Then they pay.
Yeah.
Osas no verse. Nega wanna.
Get business, man.
Akban no there. Akban.
I don't hear.
Osas, I beg, our account number before the end of your account number.
We go send them.
We go send them to you.
In fact, we go put them on top of our.
You say 100,000. So we don't want to collect 100,000.
No, you know something now 1,000.
No, you say now 1,000. So if now 10 people.
So 1,000, no problem. Osas, we go send the account number. Then you go send your own 1,000. You're a businessman. I like it.
From he get people from his community.
From community. 10 people, make them pay. Hello, Isaac. How is you? Are you with me?
I am with you, Nedu. How are you doing?
My brother, we there. Kapasat.
Wow.
Yes, boss. Good evening.
How are you doing now?
Fine, Baba. We did good, Baba.
No, what thing I get the talk not true.
We know. It be like say you dey. Now this person dey. Now Bumi dey call girl. this. Hey. Make Albert catch you. Make Albert catch you.
Which husband? She no wearing for her now.
Albert, the person where they toast them. Make they catch you.
Na cross, Albert get.
Her hand, na for where singles day, now she put ring now.
The ring you want to see, or waiting you want to see.
So okay, as ring no day, anybody can go to the hand.
But make I show the hand very well.
Okay, Isaac, you want ask question? I do what you want to talk.
No, I just want to appreciate what you do. More than just keep it up, eh?
Yeah. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Yeah.
But you go pay your own 1,000. Or say everybody pay 1,000.
You go take a
more than bring the account number first. More than bring the account number.
Okay, after show we go send them
to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Isaac, I'm gonna continue.
In fact, if you increase the amount, maybe like 5,000.
No, 5,000. You be thief. Toyin, good evening.
Good evening.
Are you with me?
I am with you.
How is you, my sister in the Lord?
I dey fine, can't be.
What do you want to talk today?
The thing when I want to talk, we say,
Yes.
if you get Oga when get low esteem, and people wonder if they have high esteem, how the thing go work? They're not going to fight too much.
Make I answer now.
Even I see them go they fight well for this because that person when they under now go want to make work they move. The one when they Oga, you know what to do now.
Okay, I end call make she answer you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, now good question she asked. You see, person will get low if him be the Oga, him get low self-esteem. Now be say people will get high self-esteem where they in team, you go they block their ideas. Now be say those people will get high self-esteem. If you notice, they go say if you give Oga an idea now,
Oga go throw away
Oga go just throw away am or Oga go carry the idea as if na him get the idea. Can't change as if yes, na me do am. You know go can't give credit
to the person with the credit they
person or the team where we say do the.
So that can one now. That can one where the people now then get the high self-esteem or can go low self-esteem. What did those people go do on their own?
They feel help them. You see, you get some steps where we say you go help person
to build
the self-esteem. Now we say you don't identify. Say this person gets low self-esteem.
Okay.
So the only thing you go fit do to help them, like that kind of thing now, you go demonstrate. You know, go they that kind of Oga will get low self-esteem. You go they micromanage the people where they in the team. Now we say you know get the trust. You know get that confidence. Say those people. They feel do the work.
The work with this.
Exactly.
Because of say himself not sabi, he not believe say another person go feel range take do.
You see, say he no get confidence.
He no get confidence. So I mean, if person no get confidence, you no go believe say another person.
Exactly, and you no go get the ability to get patients to learn from that team. You go come dey micromanage them.
And then shame of that thing. For example, now, or say you know that low self-esteem, you don't get confidence. Person can't get confidence, can't reach out to come meet you. It's not you go there, you know what make them bring you down. So now because so I cannot feel do am, I cannot go give up. Pride, that pride now, boil under your armpit. Go come make now be say work not go move now.
Work not go move.
And the company not go grow
at all. And companies these days, they want high flyers. Where we say people where they think alike. Because competition day, not be say monopoly again. Now only us they sell toilet.
Nothing they happen.
Things they happen no, because not be only you they sell toilet.
Because you go chalk now. Tomorrow person go bring toilet to which income the day inside. Or toilet to ground the day inside.
In fact, before you know it, toilet to go they fly.
Go they fly.
For where
or
you
toilet to go they
or you go use remote.
Toilet to where get scent. We get fragrance. Wait, come out and finish. What toilet it is? It's Givenchy.
Or Prada.
Or Giorgio Ezemobo. Anyway, continue.
So, you fit help them. First step is say you go demonstrate the fact. We say whether you be Oga, or you be junior officer. Demonstrate your trust. Not they micromanage people.
Okay.
If you dey micromanage people, na one sign say that person gets lose because you know demonstrate say you trust these people enough say they fit do this job. Now if you say you go come sit down, if they bring things to you too, you go come dey adjust them, cancel this
even
one.
If it dey correct.
Even if it dey correct.
And if person wey come sabi wey get the ginger wey dey under, they as you take talk earlier, go dey carry and give oga, hoping so oga go read am, implement the thing, oga go dey throw am. As you take talk, that kind of company no go go.
You no go move now. And why they employ the people self? No be to one
and that kind of person, the person self wey go like dey challenge. He go that if you don't dey 2 months, want to na so this place I make I look for work on that place.
Thank you. Anyway, they demotivate the people.
Person.
Yeah.
Anyway, double twilight to all of now we call us double twilight to our HR expert Bumi Onu, aka person they call him saying a sexual harassment.
And Osas call him ambassador.
Say ambassador. And then Osas call him ambassador. Osas, don't worry, we are going to give you a card number ambassador. You go pay the money.
Yes.
Next week Monday we will continue from where we stop. We never even go anywhere
at all.
We never touch. In fact, we never talk anything for this topic. And I just team now we don't talk. Next week Monday we'll continue on top of the matter of self-esteem for where you do work, so that work go fit move forward, so that you self when they see your work when they move forward, it go promote you for your work where they do, and things go better for your ministry. Your ministry will move to permanent site. Hallelujah, somebody. Are you with me?
I am with you.
Until tomorrow, bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.